guys, it's Nikki here. Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time coming across my channel, we get into all things fashion, makeup, and beauty, but hashtag affordable, because I'm all about affordability. And if that is something that you guys are interested in, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I do upload a new video. And in today's video, I'm just going to be giving you a little bit of a bold Valentine's Day look. I know Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and some people like to go a little simple, but some people like to go and state the obvious. It's Valentine's Day. Give us some red, give us some berries, give us some pinks. So I kind of went there today. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, stick around.
Why don't you come over, baby? I just want you to hold me close. Miss you, baby, and I kiss you if I could, but you're too busy to come on over. Without you, I feel so low. Staying inside watching movies. I wanna hold you close, yeah. I just wanna know what's taking so long for you to come through. Tell me why. I just wanna know what's taking so long for you to come through. 'Cause girl, you got me feeling anxious, anxious. Girl, you got me feeling anxious, anxious. It's been so long since it was just and why don't you come over, baby? I just want you to hold me. Anxious, 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 anxious. Why don't you come over, baby? I just want you to hold me. I just wanna know what's taking so long for you to come through. Tell me why. I just wanna know what's taking so long for you to come through. 'Cause girl, you got me feeling anxious, anxious. Girl, you